Hi, I'm Gary Bernier from the Business Growth Guys, and today I'm going to take you through the first of 4 mobile presentations. This first one is titled 2017, The Death of the Desktop. Hey, the death of the desktop's been predicted forever, and trust me, I've worked on the earliest of desktops up until today. But in 2018, nobody noticed that mobile has muscled its way in. And I'm going to share some of the stats and analysis that I've done on our clients with you. And in part 2, I'm going to show you how to do the exact same analysis for yourself. So this is one particular customer's web traffic by device, broken out over the various years. And the blue represents mobile, and you can see 2015 it makes a bit of a jump, and then in 2018 it made a significant jump. In this case, it actually doubled the amount of traffic, and you can see the shrinkage of the desktop. The same client, and this is looking at the traffic slightly differently, and you can see, and this is why I say 2017 is when it happened. 2018 nobody really noticed. So 2017 around May, June, this is when the traffic flipped over. Google saw this coming. They tried to warn us, but we weren't paying attention to them at that point in time. They were saying, hey, mobile matters. And we're like, yeah, really? Don't see it. So the thing is, they don't make it easy to see. I've had to do a lot of work to pull this data out. Here's another client, and you can see that 2018 is way up over 2017. Now, their trend stays very similar, but their general traffic line is up for mobile. Here's another client, or the same client, and you're looking at the desktop traffic, and you can see that the desktop traffic's holding pretty steady. It's not changing very much. Also something to consider when you're looking at doing your traffic analysis. Here's another client. Mobile now represents about 55% of their traffic, and desktop shrunk to 32% in 2018. So desktop's not dead, but it's definitely dying. It's definitely going down. We've even had clients say that their customers say they don't own a desktop or don't even own a printer. Now, some of the fancy analysis I did for clients was I plotted it out like this. So if you're paying for advertising and you need to look at your direct traffic versus your display traffic versus your organic search traffic versus your paid search, referral, social media, all the rest of that sort of stuff. The yellow line is mobile, and you can see that for display, Google got us a lot of clicks on mobile in this case, and they got a lot of clicks on paid search. If you're not dropping them on a mobile site that's ready or easily consumed by the customer, you're not doing yourself a big favor. You're going to see something that looks like this. Bounce rate by device. In the middle is mobile, and you can see that in this particular case, although we sent the clicks there, people bounced away from the site right away. It means they didn't consume the content we were hoping they were going to consume, and it had to do with all the mobile factors, which I'll get into next. So it's important to look at your traffic, which type of devices it's coming from, and the behavior. That's really key for analyzing your website and knowing what you need to do in 2019. So here's a few things we know about consumer behavior. Mobile websites don't like pop-ups or pop-over. They also screw up the load time, and load time is really important to mobile devices. They don't like to be pushed, and sometimes those pop-ups and pop-overs are pushy. They want the website to be quick to load. We'll show you Google's tool and Bing's tool in the next segment. And they want their website to answer their questions. So can they find the directions? Can they find your phone number? Can they click on your phone number? All these sorts of things. And we'll get into a couple of design considerations a little bit later on in one of the other segments. Want them to guide it to the next logical step. And basically, they just want it to be helpful. So there's the first segment in the mobile. I hope you continue on and listen to the next segment, which is how to do your own mobile analysis. And thanks for listening. Bye-bye.